What's up, good guys? Tayo naman nagbabalik sa isang Roblox video. At ang Roblox video nito, pag-ibang laro tayo. Sama na ako sa Black Sprite at Emel. Pagod na ako. Hindi, biro lang. I'm just tired. I'm gonna play Creatures of Sonaria. Alam kong maninibago kayo dito. Pero sana maintindihan nyo yun dahil nag-enjoy ako sa game na to. At gamit ko pala tong CP ni Gaming Majundasaurus. Huwag kayo maingay.
Tawag ko ngayon ay mag-trip ng aso. Ay, STEM mamaya po pala.
Ito, Factory. Bro, I'm not gonna play this Creature of Sonaria. I'm gonna join Factory. Go to the factory, damas. I'm gonna join him. Super fast. I need that factory.
No, I don't need any.
Just run there, bro. Don't be the Adamas.
I just wanna be your Symphony.
I'm missing.
I just wanna be your
Si Pani Aaron pala ay gumagawa ng video dun. Ayun po si Pani Aaron. What's up? Sakit magsalita si Pani Aaron. Bro, the factories. I'm not make it, but siguro mag-Creature of Sonaria tayo.
Let's go Creature of Sonaria.
Yay, bro!
I quit Roblox. I quit Roblox. I quit. I wanna be the fairy bear. Oh my god!
Just join me, gaming. I hate me.
He's online!
Who?
My sibling,
Who?
Zoe. What the
Just
fuck?
join me, please.
He's online.
What is playing right now?
He's playing the new Smith RP.
No.
Bro, he's a girl.
Oh, okay.
He's a
I
girl.
forgot that. Join me with female candle. I really need the candle.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Ligding. Napatigil si Pani Aaron mag-record. Napatigil. Wala, may Pani Aaron. Maganda to, guys. Magsasurvive lang naman tayo. Gagi, rig. Tatakbo tayo dito sa mga. Para tong GTA, but we are animal. Not animal. Animal.
I think around in the red book. But he has no litters to know.
Maybe later. I don't wanna be an elder.
He has no camouflage.
Bro, I get blind.
Right here.
I need to lay down. And hopefully I will. Bro, he's running. I just wanna kill him. Bro, become king. Click the king. Bro,
Not my problem. That is not my problem.
you become a king.
My problem.
Just lay on it. Business. Ayan na, you have your nest. No nest. Lay down with him. And just call me if that's ready. Lay up. Just be lay down.
I'm gonna lay something.
Just lay down, bro.
Some eggs.
Can you build a pack? Can you build a pack?
No.
Bro, why are you standing? You need to protect your child. You stupid mother.
You're not changing.
Did you join? Did you join? Yeah. Yeah, probably you join. Oh, it's New Year again. It will be loud and clear. Ah, what's it?
I'm cold. I'm cold.
I'm gonna protect your son, either. I have. Bro, I'm gonna hatch your son. I'm gonna hatch your child.
You don't even care about our son.
I'm here. There's his child. I'm gonna steal it. Where's the egg? Open nest, bro. Bro, lay it. How it gonna hatch and I'm gonna become your child? Eat your egg. Initin mo yun. I am your dangerous partner.
My husband.
I join him. And I'm here. Let's open.
You don't know. You don't know. You stupid.
Join. I'm gonna rejoin with him. Guide of the bees was joined. Bro, lay down. I'm gonna wait until it's hatch. Bro, I'm in front of you. I'm let's protect him while his egg is still egg. If he can invite me, I really want to be a candle because it's so powerful. I'm ready to protect him all my life just for the egg. What? Bro, just stop. And I need to roll in mud with my superpower. Bro, leave me alone. Bro, really need some food. Bro, you need some food. Bro, I'm gonna get that food for you. Because I am the father of that child.
What do you mean?
Nothing.
What do you mean?
We do some sex. I'm kidding. Yeah. And before you die of hunger, Bro, just stop. Control my phone. I'm gonna control yours.
Control my. I'm professional at this. I'm professional at being only boy.
I become a candle. I am your child. I am your child.
No!
I am your child.
How the hell?
I am your child. Look at me. I am your child.
Hey! Hey, don't you dare kill my child! You
I am your child. You be
Hey!
Father, help me.
You killing my child! Go there! Go there! Inside of the igloo!
Yay. Help me, Godzilla.
Go there!
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father.
What's inside?
I love you.
I'm Godzilla.
My brother.
But
My brothers. I need to help them. My brother.
I'm dying, son. I'm sacrificing for you.
No, Father. Bro, you're gonna kill me. Bro, stop. I'm just born.
Okay. His mother is being killed by that people. So,
You need to lay down to heal.
I think
You need to lay down to heal. I need to lay
you
down to heal.
should know he's an assimilated man.
Bro, I almost died. My father died.
Go to the bottle, you piece of shit. I'm Now he knows that he's an underwater man. Whoa! Here! He's just an axolotl. I mean, T-Rex.
My God. After I was born, I need to seek revenge.
And that's how T-Rex are born as babies. They are curious and romantical. Romantical. What the fuck? Roman- they suicide and tragedy of the mother of the
I need to seek revenge from your mother.
T-Rex are truly scavengers of the they eat meat, dead meat for trash. They are scavengers.
Where's my brother? Where's my brother?
As soon as he realized he eat his brother before he's being born.
Bro, I'm lagging again.
Nah! Blood the power! Blood! Nah! You need to eat! You need to eat!
Bro, I'm lagging. The Roblox lagging.
You need to eat!
Bro, leave me alone. Bro, what is that?
Oh my god! Is that a Kaido? Oh my god! Nature is really beautiful and terrifying, man. Let's find a way.
D-E-M-O-N-C-A.
Hindi.
Yo. I have finally duplicated this candle.
I know.
Electric pa yung profile ko.
Iba yung profile mo?
Ano?
Candle. 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 Gawin mo candle.
Wait lang, ano ko lang.
Gawin mo candle, no? Screenshot mo yung ano candle. Yung kagaya dun sa una. Yung kanina.
Velociraptor din the Vinkers are raining in from the sky. Bro, I am a T-Rex. Bro, why did you hit me? Bro, there's a game. He's being... Ano yung memory yung buhay ko? Bro, there's a meteor shower. They hit the candle. Just call him. Bro, I'm taking so much damage. Just gaming now. Bro, there's room. I need to sacrifice my head for something.
Yourself.
It's just a pub right now.
A giant meteor. Oh my god. Now you'll be but other things like Looks like the meteor is missed the Earth. He missed the Earth. Looks like they're both. I mean, the meteor is gonna extinct the dinosaurs.
Animal. I'm gonna instantly kill him.
How large is your mother again?
Hmm?
How large is your mother?
730 feet.
How
Just
tall
kidding.
is it compared to you? That mountain?
There's a flying fish.
Man,
There's a flying fish.
nah, that's a sky fish.
That's a flying fish.
Go back to water. T-Rex. At least their T-Rex are accurate.
Bro, there's a giant.
There's a cave.
I need to survive. I'm gonna place my
Find
territory.
shelter.
I think this will be my territory for now. This is kinda big.
Not big enough.
Big enough. I need. Bro, I really need to survive. It's been banned, bro. Call your brother. Okay. I really need to survive. Go, go, go. Bro. Oh. Happening? There you are. Leave me alone. Hi. I'm getting tired. I love you guys. I'm getting tired and I need something so long. Sympathy. Subscribe mo yung ano ko, isang channel ron. Salcedo PH. And I need something so long. Oh. Maganda. Meron dyan ng horror. Ayun, kami nalalaman. Alam mo ginawa niya dyan. Ito. Binato niya pag ano.
Binato yan?
Oo, binato niya yan.
Masira.
Hindi. Tapos ginagawa niya pang submarine.
Bakit mo binato?
Nagalit siya.
Bakit?
Kasi... Ay, there's something for you.
Bakit mo
Hindi niya maano yung ano.
Ayala, dito na no.
When the days are cold in the cards, all cold in the sand, you see our old made when you dream and the ones who are the worst of all. I wanna know it, but I wanna shelter you. Baby. We shall made of you. This is our kingdom. When you feel mine, walk into my eyes. Who's gonna be inside? Who's gonna be inside?
Dito na yung horror. Last part 3, ganun ba?
Oh. Last mo yan, yung first part. Ulit. Rate my voice, guys. Rate my voice. Rate my voice. The blood runs deep. I wanna hide the truth, but I wanna shelter you. But the beast inside, there's nowhere we can meet. No matter what we breathe, this is not need. This is our kingdom come. This is our kingdom come. When you feel my look into my eyes, this my being inside, this my being inside. Don't
Ano
get
ba?
too
POV mga
close.
classmates ko ang gago.
It's dark inside. There's no,
Saan? Ano ko?
there's no reason. I don't get too close.
Ito yung TV nagbukas.
This my being inside. Nagbubukas na ako. When the curtain falls, when the lights fade out, all the sinners flow, so the door of your gate back must away. Then come going. I don't wanna let you down, but I'm bound. So this is all for you. Don't wanna hide that truth. No matter what we breathe, this is made of it. This is our kingdom come. This is our kingdom come. When you feel my look into my eyes. Totoo yan. There's my being inside. There's my being inside. Don't get too close. It's dark inside. There's my being inside. There's my being inside. They said it's what you like. I said it's not losing. It's moving in my soul. I don't wanna let you go. Your eyes shine so bright. I wanna save that light. I can't escape this now. Unless you show me how. Mm-mm. Oh, bro.
Puta ka ba? Yun lang pala.
Ano?
Ako din ba? Subscribe mo ako doon.
Mamaya.
Kaso hindi pa ako sikat. Wala pa ako. Wala pa ako. Sara, ano yun natin yung kanina eh?
Siguro guys, dito na magtatapos ang ating YouTube video. Paalam!